Complement system is a group of 20 plasma proteins that forms essential part in innate immunity or humoral immunity. Complements are the protein molecules that enhances or complements our immunity. The complement system proteins are mainly synthesized in the liver and then widely distributed among various body tissues and fluids. Out of 20 plasma proteins, 11 proteins are mostly involved in complement system. These are namely B, C1 to C9 proteins and D. These are mainly enzyme precursors and they catalyze a series of enzymatic reactions that forms the final product of complement system. The complement system comes in effect only when it is activated. When complement proteins are activated, they start creating pores on microbe membrane with the help of membrane attack complex, which causes the osmotic or electrolytic imbalance and ultimately the microbe cell dies. Now let us look how the complement system is activated. There are three pathways of complement activation. First one is classical pathway, which is activated due to antigen-antibody reaction. Second one is alternative pathway, which is activated through bacterial endotoxin. Third one is lectin pathway, which is activated due to protein mannose binding lectin. Now let us look in detail about how the classical pathway works. The classical pathway is mainly triggered by antigen-antibody reaction, which activates the component C1 of complement system. This C1 component then cleaves C4 component into a smaller C4A molecule and a larger C4B molecule. The C4B molecule then combines with C1 component and forms a complex C14B. This C14B is an enzyme which converts C2 into C2A and C2B molecules. This C2A molecule combines with a complex C14B and forms another complex C14B2A, which is C3 convertase. This C3 convertase enzyme splits C3 into C3A and C3B. This C3B combines with C3 convertase and form another complex C14B2A3B, which is nothing other than C5 convertase. This C5 convertase converts C5 into two molecules C5A and C5B. C5B molecule is a larger molecule and it combines with other proteins like C6, C7, C8, C9 and forms a complex C5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is nothing other than membrane attack complex. Now let us look how the membrane attack complex works. The component C5b, C6, C7, C8 and C9 they get self-associated and forms a membrane attack complex. This membrane attack complex insert themselves into pathogen membrane allowing extracellular salts and water to enter inside the cell, which causes swelling of microbe cell and ultimately the microbe cell burst. This is how the classical path